Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm back with another 4 fall outfits where I get dressed, try on outfits, and chit chat with you guys about why I'm pairing what with what, and just about random things that are going on in my brain. Okay you guys, so I have 4 fall-ish outfits. One that's got shorts still, so a little transitional, but has some really cute pieces, some great fall like colors and such. I still think these are pretty transitional, I'm not gonna lie, because I feel like when it's actually like colder in fall, you kind of need a light jacket, but these, I have one jacket in here with the, well, I have 2. We're just gonna do it. You guys will see. I just get dressed, we chit chat, and we build outfits together. So let's start with look number 1. I have not pulled these jeans out since last year, I think. Some of my favorites. I hope they still sell these. They're from Target. They are their like 90s baggy jeans. They are truly some of my favorite jeans that I've ever worn, and I can tell you right now that these are not like worn in right now because I washed them and dried them, so they're not as soft, but we're gonna get them worn in a little bit today. With the new season upon us, I feel as though I need to go through and like really go through my jeans and just get rid of jeans that I don't wear, don't like, all the things, you know what I mean, don't fit me. Because I'm sick of holding on to jeans that just I don't like anymore. And that way I can make space for jeans that I do want. Girl math. Okay, so jeans on, they're kind of like a mid-rise, they hit right at the belly button. I'm going to put on my little like pointel, I think that's how you call it, long sleeve from H&M, because I think it'll look cute. Pair of like looser, baggier jeans with a little bit tighter of a top on top. So let's do it. All right, so this was kind of the vision. I love the like ruffle details on this shirt. I think it's super cute. But let's keep going. Let's put on our boat shoes. I think these will look adorable with these jeans. Like I think they'll work really well. So comfortable. Okay, then I'm gonna go ahead and throw a sweater over the shoulder. I just got this beautiful green cardigan from Quince. I love this color. It's got this she shell like mother of pearl buttons, but I'm not going to show the buttons because I'm just going to button the top and throw it over my shoulder. And then glasses. Just grabbed these in a new color and I love them. They're like an orangey red. All right, and as you guys can tell, I already have my jewelry on. So I am partnering with PD Paola today to tell you guys about their newest launch. I'm obsessed with these 2 pieces. The first one is the rodeo chain necklace. This is so unique, unlike really anything I've ever seen. I love that it has this like piece in the middle that almost reminds me of the Chicago bean, I'm not gonna lie, but it kind of glides in and out. You can pull and determine how long these little like tassels are at the bottom. This is such a unique and fun piece, and I feel like just amplifies any basic outfit, which you guys know, generally, I'm a very simple basic outfit kind of girl, so I've been really getting into jewelry and I've loved adding like really unique pieces, and I think that's what PD Paola does so incredible. They do amazing quality jewelry that is very unique and really cool designs that I really haven't seen anywhere else. I do have some other pieces from PD Paola that I love wearing when I'm going for more of an elevated look, but I feel like these pieces, though they're elevated, they really still go with my everyday outfits, which I'm gonna show you with the rest of the outfits that I picked, how seamlessly they blend as well. And the other piece that I grabbed from their latest collection is the Air Hoop earrings. These are fun. You guys know I'm a gold hoop girl through and through, and I also feel like gold is just really fun, and it goes really well with the fall like tones. So like you know, the red glass, orangey red glasses, the green, the deep green in the sweater, I feel like just goes really well with gold. So these earrings have these beautiful stone details, and I love how depending on which ear you put the earring in, you're getting kind of a different twist because of the way the twist detail is. Very unique. And I love the way they swing and kind of dangle. They're so pretty. They're also very lightweight. You can tell they're really quality, but they're lightweight where they don't like tug and pull on the ears. I elevate my outfit with just a little bit more interest in terms of a hoop, and I feel like these are one of those earrings that when you wear, you will get compliments, like they're a showstopper, really cool earring that you just can't find everywhere, and that's what I love about PD Paola. You can tell they just spend a lot of time with their jewelry, making sure that it's really unique and just super cool elevated pieces. So I feel like this outfit overall, pretty simple, pretty basic, white tee. It's all about the details, right? So you've got the ruffliness of the t-shirt, you've got the like kind of thin on top, light you know, tight, if you will, with more of like a loose flowy bottom. And then you've got the fun necklace, which completely changes the entire look of this outfit. You can also wear this in the back. Like if you are doing sort of like a backless dress, you could have this in the back, the little bean in the back, which would be so cute. I don't know why I'm calling it the bean. The little gold emblem in the back, which I've seen looks so beautiful. I also think this could go really Western, and you could wear it over a denim shirt, which would be really fun. You know, I live in Texas, so I will definitely try that out. I'm imagining I have a pair of like red gingham pants with like a denim top with this and some cowboy boots. Game over. So I feel like this is one of those unique pieces that you could wear every day, but also make really cool like statement jewelry as well. Whether you want to grab their newest collection, like the Air hoop earrings, or the rodeo necklace, my personal favorite, all of it will be in the description box down below, and you are bound to find something that you love. So I will leave all the details for PD Paola. Big shout out to them again for partnering with me on today's video in the description box down below to check out for yourself. And so yeah, that completes look number 1, and I will continue styling these through the rest of the outfits. So let's do it. So look number 2 is going to be one that I feel like, I mean, I have styled these, I just ripped a piece of hair out, cute. I have styled these silk pants, like probably in every video since I've got them, because I'm obsessed. But I've yet to style them in a way that I was thinking when I first got them. So let's put that outfit together and see if it's right in my brain. I'm gonna keep my jewelry on for the rest of the video because I think it will pretty much go with everything that I'm gonna wear today. But let's put on a white tee and let's put on our silk pants, and then we'll accessorize. Guys, I just bought one of our like, not final furniture pieces, but truly one of our like kind of we needed furniture pieces, which is like a credenza entryway table thing for the front room. And I feel like it's not gonna look good until I do all of the painting, but that painting is gonna take me like a billion years. So I'm like, oh, when am I gonna do that? That's like, I feel like once I get the table, I'm gonna be like, well, I have to do it now. And it's literally everything, so it's gonna be fun. But I'll take you along with me. I feel like I'm using these videos kind of as like inspiration for my Chicago trip coming up soon. And it's actually gonna be chillier, you know, than here. Anything's chillier than here. Satan's room is chillier than here. Oh, also, I just got a call from my hair place because I'm supposed to go in for a hair appointment on October 8th, which is in like a couple weeks. And I didn't like listen to it, but I looked at the voicemail like chain thing, and it was like, you have an appointment, blah, 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 but she no longer works here. I'm like, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I just found her. Like that happened to me all the time in Illinois. I went through 3 hairdressers in Illinois. 3, maybe 4. At the same place. I was like, I can't. I need somebody that I like, okay? Oh, anyway, all right. So white tee, silk pants on. I probably would have done my navy silk pants, but you guys already know I need to reorder them because I ruined them. No problem, no issues with Quince, but me, I just did not follow the directions. I was just being lazy and threw in my silk pants into the dryer, and they in fact were destroyed. So don't do that. But I've been trying to find more ways to wear these sneakers, so I thought this would be cute. Love. All right, next I'm gonna go in with my denim jacket. And I'm gonna wear my denim jacket almost like a shirt. So we're gonna trust the process. I don't know how this is really gonna go, but I'm gonna kind of button it like I would my denim shirt, like towards the top. I think you can kind of see the necklace peek out a little up top, which is kind of cute. All right, we're gonna button all except for the bottom 2 buttons. I think it's kind of cool. You know what also would look good with this is a baseball cap. But I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of tuck up, like slightly tuck this up, just kind of show a little bit of the white. But I like that this is like a jacket, do you know what I mean? But it's also a shirt. Yeah, and I will go ahead and just keep the sleeves like buttoned instead of rolling them. I don't know if I told you guys, but in my grandma's house, there's this wall going down to their like basement that is dogs like bathing, like this caricature wallpaper that's like blue with these dogs bathing with bubbles, and I'm obsessed with it. My grandma was a show like she used to show dogs. They had 14 Newfoundlands at one point, which is kind of my dream. I love Newfoundlands, but they're also hairy, slobbery little monsters. But anyways, I love that wallpaper. My brother's now living in that house. And I want to find that wallpaper, but the other day I was like randomly on TikTok or on Facebook and got like targeted this ad about wallpaper from Target. I'm looking at it, it's like showman dogs, whatever. And then like looking closely and it's like dogs peeing on other dogs, dogs humping, dogs taking a crap, like all this like random stuff on this very like classy looking wallpaper. I thought it was kind of hilarious. And I'm like, where can I put that in my house? And I was like, my room. And I'm like, yes, but no. Anyway, I think this is kind of cute. It turned out kind of cute. It's a little bit different. I kind of got into wearing my denim shirts like this last fall, where like instead of leaving the chest open, I would button the chest up and then leave the bottom flowing, and I kind of liked it. But it's very like giving structured with flowy loose. I think this would also be cute with sweatpants. Straight like sweatpants, which I don't actually own a pair, so may need to do that. But I think this is kind of cute. What do you guys think? Let's move on to look number 3 though. Okay, look number 3 features this new belt that I'm kind of obsessed with. I stopped my whole day to go buy this from Target. So, oh my gosh, I want to rip the button off. Okay, so let's do it. I'll show you. I'm going to be wearing my green barrel pants. Are we surprised? No. When I get new pieces, I already told you, I like to style them a million different ways because I need to make sure that I'm aware of all the different styling capabilities that pieces have. And then this little like sweater vest that I've had from Quince for a while, and I'm like, girl, break it out. So let's put that on with my green pants. And then the belt and all the accessories. Oh my gosh, I'm falling over. And I didn't pick out shoes for this. We're gonna have to figure that out. I have not even tried on this belt, so hopefully I like it. Oops, that's not right. It's as great as I think it will be in my brain. This detailing, isn't that fun? Some studsies, bedazzled studs. I've been loving fun belts, but fun belts can be very expensive. So I like this. I got this in a size small, so we'll have to see if it's gonna be too small or too big. Or just right. I think just right, and I'm not gonna remove the tag until I do. Figure it out. Yes, perfect. You don't want too long of a belt, but you want enough bedazzled, but not too much bedazzled. This is so cute. All right, let's put on that little sweater vest. This would also be cute with just a white tee. Adorable. But like I said, this is kind of giving fall transition because I know not everywhere can wear this, but if it's fall, it's still kind of warm in the day. It just depends on the day, you know what I mean? But we're gonna try to see if I like this tucked in to show off the belt. And I think this works because the buttons are black, so it ties the black belt, and I keep my little gold rodeo chain on because it ties in my belt. This is fun. Okay, this is super fun. Now I have to find shoes though. I should plan that out. Okay, so 2 options. Just this like sort of browny, taupey, greeny slingback for a cute daytime, but still a little more elevated. I've loved the pointed toes with the barrel. I think it's such a good like contrast. So these are like matchy but not matchy. They would also, I don't know, they work, but let's try them with these black heels as well, just because I tried these on the other day in my Pinterest video. Well, not these ones, but a pointed toe kitten heel with these pants, and it was to die for. So it was kind of like more of a night sort of look. So well, this is actually adorable. Me and my little bow-legged self over here. I'm kind of here for it. Obviously, these are not like everyday shoes, but they're still absolutely adorable. So I'm here for it. Very, very cute. I'm in love with this belt. If you see it at your Target, or just order it online because it's great. I am going to use it in the next outfit as well, I think. But anyways, this was look number 3, and I think we nailed it. I think it's adorable. I love this so much. So sorry I've been like blowing up these pants and this sweater, but obviously it's good. So can't stop, won't stop. Let's move on to look number 4. Whoop. Look number 4, I'm going to be wearing shorts, but they're dark denim, so I think it works. And we're going to put on our little like sweater t-shirt top from Uniqlo that I got in my recent haul. So I've been watching my mother-in-law's dog for the last 2 days, and she hobbles around on one leg because she just had her like, ACL surgery or whatever. And I've just been calling her Little Mo with the gimpy leg from, I think it's Home Alone, right? Little Mo with the gimpy leg. Yeah, the shooting scene, you know what I'm talking about? Can't say that. The scene from the TV, you know? Home Alone, the first one, the best one. Okay, shorts. One thing they don't warn you about with testosterone is where they inject it on your upper butt cheek. It just looks like a permanent butt pimple. Which is cute. There's that. Okay, I think I'm gonna do belt. I haven't decided, but let's put it on and see. Because I think yes, this belt is going to be my personality for fall and winter. Like imagine this, high-waisted jeans with a sweater tucked all the way around and the bam. Okay, next I'm going on with my boots. I guess we're seeking Western. Let me pull my necklace out. Ooh, Little Mo with the gimpy leg. Pony pie. Theo. Anyway. Cute. We doing tuckaroo? Probably. I love a good tuckaroo, okay? Can't stop me. Can't stop, won't stop. That's the second time I said that statement. Okay. I did in fact get this jacket off of Amazon. It looks like the Zara one for a fraction of the cost. It's so cute. Okay, I love this color. Ooh, and even the hardware on this is gold. So, not just the necklace. I do what all the girls do, which is like tuck it in their jacket, but I cannot. It's just too much for me. This jacket is literally everything. I did get it in a medium. I could have done a small, but I love this like suede. It's kind of almost balloony at the bottom. And it has 2 buttons to kind of like conceal the zipper if you want to do it all the way. I wouldn't, just saying it's available for you. But yeah, like so this is like, the waist is big, so I probably could have done a small, but I love it. The color of this is literally everything. I would probably leave it like fully open. So good. But I think the belt's not too much. So this was look number 4. A little fun, a little not so casual, a little more elevated, but I'm here for it. It's adorable. Jacket, they have a million different colors too. But I really wanted the maroon just because I feel like this is not a color I would ever pick. I'd always go like tan, green, black, but this was like, yes. And it's like cheaper than the Zara one, so I was like, it works. It feels exactly the same. I tried on the Zara one in tan. Sleeve length, everything perfect, and it is lined. We love that. All right, so that is it. That was look number 4. I think all these outfits were incredible. I truly do think the green pant one was my favorite. I just love those pants so much. So if you haven't grabbed them yet, girl, what are you doing? They also, now would be a great time because they're also just launched their new color in the JW Anderson, which I already got my little grubby mitts on. Well, they haven't shipped them yet, but I'm going to. I'm actually picking them up at the store because I want to browse. Anyway, and it was free shipping. Win-win. But anyway, big shout out again to PD Paola for partnering with me on today's video to share their newest launch, the rodeo chain and the air hoop earrings. I'm in love with all these pieces, and they are amazing quality, a little bit more elevated, but I still think they go with my everyday outfit, which everyday outfits fits plural, okay, which I showed you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you're curious to check out anything from them, whether it's their new stuff or just want to browse their site and see what other pieces they have really unique standout pieces that are incredible quality, and the design is just so fun and flawless. So I will have all the details in the description box down below, and yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one very, very soon.